Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, October 7th. Now, this is one of the most disgusting days I have seen in a very long time, price action-wise. Did price do something in theory that was poor price action? No, it didn't move. Like, I actually don't know what to say. So it didn't move bad. It just moved slow as shit. Like, it is currently 10 a.m. The market hasn't moved since, I don't even know, today's like basically a bank holiday. It might as well be a fucking bank holiday because if you look at market open, 929, we are in the same exact price point as 929. The market literally has not fucking moved in the last like hour. It generally has not moved. 9 a.m. is up here. It hasn't moved in the last hour. We're trading in a 35-point range. So I'm going to go over my thoughts of the market today, what I took and what I didn't take and why. Right? These are my accounts. Top Step evals. Yes, I've been on evals on Top Step for the whole fucking month. Why? Because there's no fucking volatility. I can't pass evals without volatility. And it's making it a pain in the fucking ass. So those evals are a third of the way past. Made 600 on my Lightning funded accounts. And then this is Lucid trading. I don't know. I'm new to trading them. I made 1,800 on 2 accounts. I need to make 9,000 to get a payout. These are instant funding. So copy trading 3 accounts, but I only took this trade on 2 of them because the third account wasn't processed yet. So 1,800 times 2, so 3,600 plus 3,000, $6,600 day. Not bad at all. I'm a little upset because what's it called? Of the way price action delivered, so I only made 600 on my evals when it should have been a lot fucking more, right? So I'm going over my thought process. Obviously, I'm bullish, right? There's nothing to be bearish about except for the fact that we have London, Asian, and Midnight Open resting below us. But I don't really care about that. If we get a reaction off this, if we look at the hourly time frame, we make an hourly breaker block right here because we close above the wick. Hourly breaker block right there. And a 15-minute gap right here and here. If we get a 1-minute CISD, I'm willing to go long. What do we see here? At 9:34, I enter long. Now, I actually had to re-enter because at 9:34, I went long right there. Stops were below here. TP up here. Now, I went break even once we tapped into this 5-minute order block. Or sorry, 3-minute, maybe it was. 3-minute order block. I went break even. Because that's what happened yesterday is we tapped an order block up here and then shit the bed. So I went break even. I got break even almost instantly. And then I ended up re-entering right about here. I believe we made an SMT with ES at this low. At 9:51 we made an SMT. Right, so here we made an SMT at this low. And we got a bullish reaction to the upside. Again, I literally entered off that alone. I'm still bullish. And we're still trading in the CISD. Still respecting the CISD. Still bullish. Now we got an SMT at the low. I figured price might as well take out this high. Right? We might as well take out this high if we're going to tap into something valid. And that's what we did. We souped this high. And I guess we dumped now. But both trades I took today, honestly, second trade was a bit of a riskier trade. It was more of a, what's the word for it? Discretional entry based off the fact that we made an SMT at the low and I figured Nasdaq was the more bullish indice today. Even though ES was at first at 9:34. But this is overall disgusting. Like, where's the volatility? Where's everything? I don't know. Is it because of the government shutdown? Potentially because of the government shutdown. There's no news. I feel like we've been anticipating news for the last week or two in the market and we're not getting any. So maybe the volatility is just completely shut down overall. But this is really, really sad price action. Like, really, really sad. I don't even know what to say about this. This is hard to fucking trade too. It pisses me off. Especially because I'm on my Top Step evals, right? But the plan is to get a Tradeify payout. Since I had that big losing day yesterday on Tradeify, it's hard for me to rebuild them. I'm going to try to get that payout by the end of next week. Hopefully, should be by the end of next week with Tradeify, with the Lucid, with these Lucid people. It's gonna be a little trickier because these guys need 8 trading days. So yeah, maybe next week too. We'll see. But yeah, so trade today was based off 15-minute fair value gap top, hourly breaker block, and a 1-minute CISD to the upside, targeting all-time highs. I would take this trade 100 out of 100 times, and I guarantee you it would play out 95 out of those 100 times. This is some sloppy dick price action, bro. Second trade is based off an SMT because this one got break even. And honestly, it would have won. I would have still taken profits at this high if I held, but we got break even. So same exact outcome, got break by a tick here actually. Right, break even, and then we re-entered because we're still holding that. Also a 2-minute, right? It's a 2-minute. It's not an order block. We never broke structure on the 2-minute. But we do have a 3-minute order block. Actually, we were holding that 3-minute order block the entire time while respecting an SMT. Got one bullish reaction, entered in long, targeting there with one contract on Tradeify and 3 or 4 contracts on Lucid, I believe. I risked heavy on that firm. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about these trades, why I wasn't opening shorts, 15-minute structure was still bullish. 5-minute structure, we never respected this 5-minute gap until here. And if you went short here, you're an idiot because now we have a huge SMT with ES at the lows. ES tapping into this 1-hour gap, right? You have an SMT at that low with a 1-hour gap. On Nasdaq too, Nasdaq just tapped into an hourly gap. So if you're entering off a reaction from this 5-minute, you better have taken profit at this internal low. Now, why is that a bad short? Even if you got a short opportunity, why is that a bad short? Because there's SMTs at this low already. Nasdaq already swept this low like 30 minutes ago. So even if you get a rejection from this bearish 5-minute, shorts are still not valid because there's an SMT at this low. In theory, this low should be a protected low, right? So hope you guys take something out of this video. Working on something big for you guys. Hopefully launching by the end of the week. But meantime, I'm going to go hit the gym. I'm still sick, but we ball. Hope you guys have a great fucking day. Any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Remember, Alpha Future still running a crazy fucking discount, 25% off. You're not going to be seeing that for a very long fucking time. So take advantage of those accounts. I hope you guys have a great fucking day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.